All right, Chuckles. So the first thing that we are going to do is go to example one here. We're going to construct a scatter plot, which you guys have probably done a lot of times before in your algebra class. So we're going to do it here. It says a marketing manager conducted a study to determine whether there is a linear relationship between money spent on advertising and company sales. The data are shown in the table at the left. So this table right here, display the data on a scatter plot and determine whether there appears to be a positive or negative linear correlation or no linear correlation. So the answer is right here, obviously, and we would say that as we look at this thing, there definitely seems to be a positive linear correlation. It's not perfect, so we don't know the strength of what it would be, but clearly it's starting down here as advertising expenses go up, the company's sales goes up as well. So that would definitely be positive. Now, and that's fine. And we look at this and we have our answer here, but I want to go through how can we do that in our technology? How can we put it in there? So what you're going to do is you're going to take your X value column. You're going to put it right here. You're going to input that 1.6 to 2.6, 1.4, 1.6, 2.2. Okay, and then we're going to head over to, let's see if I can put it in, bing. I'm going to head over to L2, and we're going to put in those numbers here. So basically that means when we spend, and that's thousands of dollars. So if they spend $2,400 on advertising, no, that would be thousands. So $24,000 in advertising, then you're going to get $225,000 in sales. So let's put in 225. That is wrong. It should be 225, 184, 220, 240, 180, 184, 186, 215. Okay, we have that there. We can go to Y scatter plot. I'm going to have my plot turned on right here. I'm going to click on this, make sure everything's good. You can get different types of deals here, bar graphs and all that, but we want that scatter plot to be on. I'm going to mark it with this thing right here. And then what I should be able to do is hit graph. And it looks all crazy, but I need to make sure my window is proper hardcore here. So I am going to I need my window to be, let's make my Y values be my Y min 200. Oh, no, not 200 because we have things underneath that. So let's do 175 for my min. My Y max we can do 250. And then my X min, everything's between like 1 and 2 something. So let's do 0.5 for my min, and then 3. That should be able to encompass everything. Let's see what we got. There it is. That's what we got. And it looks a little bit different. This one looks even more. You're going up and down. But that has to do with I expanded the axis on the bottom right here. Okay. But all in all, you have those 2 points are those 2 points. You have that point right here is this one. Then we have this one coming down and then coming up. Ours is a little bit steeper just because of what we put in for our window, but it basically looks the same, and you can get the same conclusion from that. Okay, so that kind of ends example 1 for us, and we will be coming back with our next example in just a hot second.